Step-by-step ClickFunnels 2.0 tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we are going to be discussing about ClickFunnels in great depth and detail. I'm going to be telling you all the features and all the aspects of ClickFunnels and how you're going to use it for yourself for an amazing and very easy and simple funnel making. And you can use it for, different kinds of things like maybe you want to create a website. Maybe you want to create different leads, gain, contacts, or, endorse your very own product. Okay. And it's going to be really simple because it's going to be a complete walkthrough and step-by-step tutorial of all those things. So please do make sure to watch this video fully till the end to gain all the knowledge you can about ClickFunnels and how we are going to use this amazing and great platform. Okay. So to start things off, obviously you're going to come over to clickfunnels.com, which is their main website. Okay. Now, once you're in their main website, obviously you can see over here, you start things off with struggling to get a constant flow of customers, meet ClickFunnels. Getting people to your website and turning them into happy paying customers is what we do best. And, they tell you to start your free trial right now, right today. And, zero computer skills needed, works for every type of business, market, sell, and deliver like a pro, etc., etc. And there's like a lot of detail on their main overview page, so you can go and check that out. Obviously, let's go ahead and first of all discuss the pricings because it's a full-time passive income business creator. So over here, as you can see, choose your plan and start your 14-day free trial. So obviously there's the basic, pro, and funnel hacker. So the basic plan is $127 per month. Oh wait, let me go into Basic is $147 per month. Pro is $197 per month, and Funnel Hacker is $297 per month, and each can give you different features. Like this one gives you one website, 20 funnels, etc. This gives you one website, 500 funnels, 5 admin users, 3 domains, and much more. And obviously, the max plan can get you the max things. So, really great and simple stuff to have for your website or your business. Now to start things off, obviously you're going to go ahead and sign up. Okay, so for that you're going to click on try it for free. Okay, now I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. So and do make sure to sign up with ClickFunnels 2.0. Okay, we don't want the classic ClickFunnels. Why? Because classic ClickFunnels is very different from ClickFunnels 2.0. As you can see, ClickFunnels 2.0 has all these things like you can create workflow funnels, you can create entire websites, you can create marketing workflows, you can create and send proper emails. ClickFunnels Classic, on the other hand, only has editing existing funnels and editing existing follow-up funnels. You can't create new workflows or funnels in it at all. So that's why I always recommend ClickFunnels 2.0. But if you are a previous user of ClickFunnels and you use ClickFunnels Classic, then you could also integrate your older ClickFunnels with your newer ClickFunnels. So it's really simple, okay? Now, obviously, once we have discussed about that, let's start discussing on how we're gonna, actually get familiarized with our ClickFunnels 2.0 and how we're actually gonna set everything up. So to start things off, obviously, what you're going to want to do, because it's like a passive business income making machine. And first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to set up your actual funnel hub. Okay. Now, funnel hub is basically where you're going to actually set up your funnels. You're going to create your funnels and everything. And, you're going to do different segmentation, segregations, and stuff between the funnels. Then you're going to set up your actual blog. Okay. Setting up your blog is really important because that is where you're going to add your blog posts. And in my opinion, like obviously, you don't necessarily need to do this, but in my opinion, setting up blogs is really important for your page because basically it just improves customer management. That's what I think, at least. So if you want to, you can always go ahead and set up your blogs and stuff. Then obviously the next step would be creating your actual first course. Okay, creating your course would be really important, and I'm going to be showing you how you're going to do that as well. The next step would be setting up your proper funnels with your workflows, email, products, and much more. Okay, and products could be, digital products, it could be physical products, and it could be a whole lot more. And I'm going to integrate all of that with our funnels while setting them up. And the next and final step would be completing our payment gateway setup. Okay, That is what we're going to be doing, and that is what we're actually going to be talking about. So, to begin things off, we're going to go over to site. Okay. Now, once you're in site, obviously over here, you get an overview. And in that overview, you can get your customized themes, you can get your analytics, you can get draft themes and all that. And really simple and easy stuff to, understand. Now, obviously, they've given us a custom theme, which is a default theme basically that they give to their newest users. And in our case, it's CF 2.0, which is ClickFunnels 2.0 Hero theme. And obviously, you can go ahead and start customizing it by just coming here and clicking on customize. So you could also preview it to check if it's needed to be customized, because in some cases it's not needed to be customized. But obviously, that's totally dependent on you if you want to go ahead and customize it or not. Now, obviously, once we've gotten the overview of site, like site is the main place where we're gonna, get all the main things about our website and how we're gonna access all the different aspects of our, proper funneling and sales and stuff. Now let's move over to blog, okay? Now, blog is the place where you're going to actually fully create different blog posts and, have a whole chart and page full of blog posts and blog content. And as I told you before, blog content is really necessary to have for your page because blog content can, lead you to greater customer relationship and a whole lot of other people actually see because blog posts are usually small. They're not really, huge or big posts. So, yeah, a blog post or blog content would be recommended by me at least when it comes to, customer management and stuff. Then obviously you're wondering, how do you create funnels? How do you create blogs? It's really simple. It's from the tip of your fingers. You're just going to come here, click on new blog posts and stuff. And yeah, you should be good to go. Now, to obviously start yourself off with the blog posts and everything, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on new blog post. Okay. Now, once you click on new blog post, you're going to create a title. So let's say I'm going to write it demo post. Let's call it demo post. Okay. Then you're going to give the post a summary if you want to. I'm going to keep it a draft. You can add feature images and stuff, and you can add like the author and everything. But I'm going to go ahead and create an edit post. Okay. Now, once you do that, let's just wait for it to load up. So there's our demo post. And we're going to open this a new window. And also, we're going to go ahead and do a little editing. So as you can see, it's obviously totally empty right now with like nothing to do in it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on customize where it's going to bring you here. So obviously the rest of the posts, I don't really have anything in them, but here's my main post, which is my demo post. Now, this is your blog home, okay? And this is the blog home that they've given you by themselves. The people at ClickFunnel created this for you by themselves, and obviously it's your job to edit it and mess around with it. And it's really easy because it's just a basic drag and drop editor. You're going to click on whatever you want to edit. And as you can see, you can edit it easily. So let's say I'm going to add sales, wait, funnel exclusive blog test. I'm going to call it that. Add a bit exclamations, and there you go. And then you can obviously go ahead and add more and more things. Then you obviously can see I have demo posts over here. So here's your demo post, and you can start adding different sections. So as you can see, I just added a full page section to my page. And once you add that, you can add different elements like headlines, and you can add bullet lists, images, videos, pop-up, select box, and everything. And then once you have done all of that, yeah, basically from there on out, it's gonna be really simple. So then you're just gonna save, okay? And that saves your blog posts and stuff, okay? And then moving on, let's head out of the blog post section. Now let me discuss about the actual customer center. Now, what is the customer center? Basically, customer center is your basic self-serve portal, which is for your customers. Okay, it's a great CRM. It's great for your customer relationship management. It keeps a good and tight contact between you and your customers. And it just creates a good bonding in my opinion. And you can also go ahead and customize this. This is also a stock page that they have created for you, and you can customize this accordingly to actually work along well with your actual customers. And it's a great customer center. And again, you can edit this as you want it to be. And yeah, pretty basic and easy stuff. Then we move on to funnels. Okay. This is funnels. Okay. And in the funnels section is where you can create proper funnels for yourself. So as you can see, I've created tons and tons of funnels over here, and you can create them too. So what you can do is you're going to click on create funnel, and let's say I'm going to call this demo. And once we call this demo, we're going to click on create. And once you click on create, what it's going to do is, as you can see, it creates a proper funnel page for you. Okay. And it looks really cool. Okay. It's a blank page, and obviously your job is to start adding pages, because what a funnel actually constitutes is you adding pages. So let's add the first page. Okay. Okay. I'm going to go on my funnel pages because I already have a few pages. So let's say I'm going to choose these, call it that, and I'm going to click on create page. And as you can see, it starts creating page. And then obviously to you can create the funnel more in detail, more in depth, keep on going ahead, edit the page if you want to. And once you're done with all your things, you can finally go ahead and generate a funnel share link. And what this will do is it will actually publish your funnel. So that's how you're going to work with, your funnels and everything. Again, pretty amazing stuff. And we're going to move on to pages. Okay. Your pages are what you're going to add into your funnels. And obviously, you can add your pages over here. And basically, your funnel, you could say, is a descriptive website that you're going to send to someone, but you're going to create it in a graph form, but the other person's going to see it in a link form. So it's really great stuff. And this is where you're going to create new pages, as I told you. So creating new pages is also a pretty simple thing to have. Okay. Let's click on create page. Now, these are all of my current pages, but you can also choose the templates that ClickFunnels has provided you, or you can totally start from blank. Okay. So it's really simple and really easy and great stuff to have for your page. Then you move on to URL redirects. Okay. You can create a new URL redirect specifically for you. And then, like, that one isn't too important. This is the important part because, as I stated, the next step would be creating courses. Okay. And you can create courses for your basic plan. And obviously you could go with a blank course, a basic course, or a nested course. I would always recommend a blank or basic. A nested course, in my opinion, just I wouldn't personally go with that. So to create a course, as you can see, click on course, click on create. And as you can see, it creates a course for you. And obviously you can go ahead and customize the course the same way you customize your website. Again, really simple stuff. Click on customize. And then finally is your payment gateway. And how are you going to mess with your payment gateway? That is by going on payments.ai, which is going to be in the bottom of the ClickFunnels page right here. And on the payments AI, as you can see, accept all online payments today. And here is where you're going to set up all of your payment techniques. You're going to set up all of your payment settings. And this is just the place where you're going to be accepting all of the payments for all the work you do and all of the orders you get on your actual sales funnels. And to actually track the orders you're getting on your sales funnel, like, let me give you an example. I have created a funnel which has orders on it. So I'm going to click on new funnel. Okay. And this is a live funnel, like it actually has gone live. So to see the analytics, you're going to click on that over there. And as you can see, obviously this is a home page, so I won't get any sales or orders on this, but this is an orders page. So you can see here's my sales, here's my orders, and I'm going to set up the payment. So when I set it up, the sales are going to come through. So yeah, basically that's about it when it comes to discussing sales funnel. As you can see, pretty easy and a pretty great software to have for yourself if you want a passive income business, and it's just a great thing to have for your page. So I would recommend using it right now and starting it out right today. So basically that was about it for this video. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below. And if you enjoyed it and found it informational, please do make sure to like and click on the subscribe button because it helps me out a lot. But yeah, that's basically about it for this video. Do make sure again to like, subscribe, and share this video. And yeah, that's all from me. And I will be seeing all of you beautiful people next time. Goodbye.